What's going on, guys? Jake here with Uncommon EDC, and today I'm checking out another of the Comm VIP mystery swag packs. This is the Mega Big Daddy size for May, the Gen 6. These run $98.95. You get a bunch of random gear from Comm. Free shipping starts at $99, so there's going to be an extra little pouch/bag for cords in here. Just to get me to the free shipping level. I'd rather pay a couple dollars for something on the site rather than paying for the shipping itself. So one extra item in here, I'll point out what it is when I get there. And today I'm opening up with the Max Madco utility knife from Comm as well. Just thought it was appropriate to use one of theirs. So utility knife no longer available on the site. I think it was a limited run of about 500. So that's not available there anymore, but may see it again in the future. So right off the bat, I see the item that I ordered, so we'll get that out of the way. So just a little Dyneema pouch. Again, I'm going to use this for some random like cords and stuff, just like larger cords, HDMI cords, things like that. So also comes with a sticker and a 10% off promo code, GOV4ME. So if you're buying anything from them, use that code. Save you 10%. I think I also have a referral link that saves 10%. I'll put that down in the description below, but not an affiliate link or anything like that. Looks like, I think this is one of their like neck gaiters, but it might just be, yeah, it is one of their neck gaiters. In fact, I think I have this exact one from a previous pack, but those are always good. Good to have. They have a topo design one that I like a lot more. The white one's a little bit kind of plain and seems like it would get dirty pretty fast, but that's alright. I'm gonna cut this open a little bit more. It's a little bit tight. Hopefully that helps. Next up, we have one of their part trays. I'm actually gonna just hold this out of the way. One of their part trays. I have a ton of these, so this is a duplicate for me. All of their part trays are pretty cool. They come in a few different colors. There's a glow-in-the-dark orange, green, and gray. So, oh, I think OD green was a limited edition version as well. Next up, we have some sort of pouch. It's got some loop segment on the outside here, Velcro shut. Not sure if this is like a specialized pouch, but maybe 2.5, 3 inches tall, 4 or so inches wide, so kind of small little pouch. I'm sure it's specialized and meant for something. There's some Velcro straps in the back here, so you can attach it to any of like a molly panel or something like that. I'm gonna cut this open. It looks like a kind of like Dopp Kit probably, similar to the pouch I ordered actually. Material, I think they call it Dyneema. So yeah, just a little Dopp Kit. Much more reasonable size than the last one I received from them, which was like extremely oversized. YKK zippers, little grab handle on the end. So nothing too crazy there. A lot more items going here. Looks like we have a 2020 pouch. Not sure what it's supposed to be, but there's like a symbol here, probably representing COVID, I guess, I don't know. 3 of their beads, which I actually have these beads already, but I really like these ones. They're probably some of my favorite beads that they have on the site. Red, green, and yellow, so some nice ones. I'm not a big lanyard person, but don't mind getting some extra beads there. I believe this is their glow tape, which if you watch any of the previous unboxings of these, yeah, it's definitely the glow tape. I have the thinner version one that came in, I think, the first grab bag that I did from them. So cool to get the thicker one as well. You can just kind of stick this on any of your gear. It glows in the dark, really nice. It works really well. Not sure if this is, I think this is a P51 can opener, which is the larger of the sizes. So these are usually pretty cheap. You can probably get them for like $1. But always cool to have extra of them. I have a ton of them already. I don't use them a ton, honestly, but they never hurt to have. Next up, I think this is one of those like touchless like door pullers / elevator button pusher type things. It's kind of a random thing. Probably won't use this, to be honest, but these got pretty popular during COVID, so not surprised to see that there. Next up, we have what looks to be another pouch. Yeah, just kind of a Velcro pouch, I guess, for random whatnots. It has a little strap here so you can use it on a belt or attach it to something. But good for like multi-tools or random tools that you want to carry on your belt. Another small pouch. And the next item is actually yet another pouch. It's a pretty pouch heavy mystery bag this time, which is always cool. I definitely like pouches and review different ones on the channel. This one I'm familiar with as well. It doesn't come with any, and I don't have any nearby. But this is actually for gloves, so you can put reusable gloves in here, pull them out, and then you have a little spray bottle. You can put whatever you want, alcohol or hand sanitizer or whatever you want in that spray bottle. But this is just to stuff extra gloves, and you can pull them out. So this also has a belt strap, so you can put it onto your belt or any other strap that you have. So another cool pouch. This one, I'm not sure if this is going to be just a storage container or one of their lighters. They look pretty similar, so it could be either. Judging by the fact that I'm pretty sure there's a small piece of flint in here, I'm pretty sure it's a lighter, which is really cool. I have one of their smaller ones. Yeah, definitely a lighter. It's not going to have any fluid, but you can probably still get some spark out of it. But this just pulls out. You can fill it with regular Zippo fluid. The smaller one I actually have is this exact color, which is funny. So cool to have one of those. The small one runs out of fluid pretty quickly. It's a pretty small lighter, so this one's a little bit better size, so should hold the fluid a little bit longer, which is nice. Not sure what's in here yet, but always like these containers for storing other random stuff. Guessing some sort of flashlight or storage tube. There's 2 O-rings in here, so whatever it is watertight. And this actually looks like one of their titanium tubes. These are usually pretty expensive. I want to say this is probably like 60 bucks on the website, and I think they open from both sides. But just kind of a little storage vault that you can store whatever you want in. But again, they have those O-rings, so they're going to be watertight, and this is titanium. So I may actually try anodizing this just for fun. I've been kind of enjoying doing that with a lot of their titanium products, so we'll probably do that to this one as well. Obviously make sure to remove the O-rings before you do that because they will melt pretty quickly. But cool to see this in there. Not something I ever want to pay the price for. I've seen it on the website plenty of times and I just don't want to pay 60 bucks for it, so cool to get it in this pack with a bunch of other stuff. Still a few more items in here. We've got a pry bar. This looks like the stainless steel. I don't think I have a magnet nearby. I don't, so I can't test it, but I'm fairly certain this is stainless steel. If you really want to know, I'll put it in the description below once I know for sure. But the colors look a little bit different from the stainless steel to the titanium, and the titanium one's usually a little bit lighter. So pretty sure this is that. Couple more items in here. We got a few more of these Maratac zipper pulls. I got one of these in a previous pack as well, so I have 6 of those now. Not my favorite zipper pulls. I have some other ones that I like a little bit better, but not bad either. And another pair of medical shears. I have a lot of their medical shears. They're pretty good. They come in a few different sizes. They have some really small ones. These are probably like the medium, I'd say. And then they have some larger ones also that are full-size shears. And they all work pretty good. They're good shears. And then the last item, which is actually why I got this. To be honest, I probably will skip these for a few months just because a lot of the items that I get are duplicates, although that's actually not true this time. I got a lot of new items. I got a few duplicates like the parts tray, a bigger version of the lighter. I have probably 20 of these pry bars now in different variations, from like the Cerakote in orange and black to the 2-inch, 3-inch, and 4-inch ones, curved, straight. So there's a lot of variations, stainless steel, titanium. So I have a lot of different ones of these. But for the most part, I actually got a lot of new items this time as well. But the last item I had heard was that there was a pen in here, and I don't have many of their pens, so I wanted to get the pen. They can be pretty pricey. This one's a smaller one, so I'm guessing it's not insanely pricey, but probably still around the $50. Looks like it's a twist. I don't know why I was opening it, but if you twisted, it pops out the end there. So nice kind of compact small pen, a little bit in between size actually. I have a lot of smaller pens that are probably an inch shorter than this. This is actually a decent size for writing, but still compact. It has a lanyard hole at the end that you can put a key ring or a lanyard on. So if you want to carry this on your key ring, it's not too large, which is really nice. So nice looking pen. And again, one of the reasons I got this, one of the viewers had commented, Ben had commented that there was a pen in here, and I don't have many of their pens and don't usually want to pay full price for them. So to get it in the pack with this, you know, we're already over the $100 value with some of the other items. Probably just with these two items alone, actually, we're probably pretty close to the $100 value. And so this is kind of a freebie, and guessing again, it's probably in the $40 to $50 range for this smaller mini pen. So pretty cool pack overall. A lot of stuff that I didn't have, which was a nice surprise. I was expecting to get a lot more duplicates just because I have so much County Comm gear and have done a few of these mystery packs in the past. But yeah, I'll probably take a few months off unless again I hear what's in them and see some cool stuff that I want to check out, or hear that there's some cool stuff that I want to check out. I'll probably take a few months off just to hopefully they can stock some new gear that I don't have and start getting those in here. But yeah, I think a pretty good value. In the description below, I will usually list out the value of each of the items at the current price on the website. If they're on sale, I list the lowest price just to see where we're at. They advertise that they can reach up to 3 to 5 times the value. The first one that I got of this size definitely, I think, was probably 3.5 times the value. I think it was around 350. The last one I got was closer to 200, so about 2 times the value. I'm not sure where this one's going to land, probably closer to the $200 mark. I'm not positive though, but we'll definitely put that down in the description below. This one, the Mega Big Daddy, seems to be kind of a recurring thing that they're doing most months recently. They have some smaller sizes for $10 and $20 that they don't do every month, but those ones have been really good value historically as well. So if I see those, I might check those ones out while I'm waiting for kind of a change in their products on the bigger one. But let me know what you think of the value of this pack, what your favorite item was down in the comments below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great one.